Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and yes, the news is right. TD Ameritrade is going to be joining the party, and by the party, I mean Charles Schwab and Interactive Brokers, in offering zero commission. If you do trade options, it's still going to cost you about 65 cents per contract, but I have a couple questions that I think that you guys should ask yourself when it comes now to being able to decide what advanced brokerage do I want to be a part of. One of the things that I want you guys to pay attention to very quickly is this is ticker symbol AMTD. This is TD Ameritrade Holding Corporation. And because of the news that Charles Schwab released this morning, that they are now going to be offering zero commission, it doesn't look very promising for TD Ameritrade because that is a huge edge that now an advanced brokerage is now going to offer. So that shoots TD Ameritrade down nearly 26% on the day. End of the day at 25.76% down on the day. It's so mind-boggling, but not even just that. One of the questions that I think you should also ask yourself is what sparked Charles Schwab to want to partake in this non-commissionable brokerage. And it was after the news, if I'm not mistaken, about 1 week ago, Interactive Brokers also introduced zero commissions trading. And why are all these advanced brokerages now opting in to these zero commission trading? They're seeing the huge market space that Robinhood, Webull, and all those zero commission accounts that they are now owning because they are the only ones that once offered zero commission. So if you trade stocks, if you trade ETFs, after Thursday, October 3rd, based off of the schedule that they are now going to be offering, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and Interactive Brokers, I believe Interactive Brokers already offers it, but they are now going to be introducing zero commission. Now, being completely serious, there are some concerns that kind of come about, and when it comes down to running a brokerage, right, especially such an advanced brokerage, this isn't Robinhood, and a lot of you guys might ask, well, like, how can Robinhood offer zero commission and still in a sense be in business? One of the things that they don't really have is the huge overhead when it comes down to a customer support team. Have you ever tried reaching out to Robinhood over phone or over email? It takes time for them to get back to you. Therefore, that customer support is not really there. Now, when it comes down to TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and Interactive Brokers, they have amazing customer support departments. Therefore, they have huge overhead. So one of the questions that I just want you to be on edge about is how are they going to continue to stay profitable? Because these commissions, even in my experience with my account, I spend about $30 to maybe $50 every single day with the commissions that I pay. And just imagine the hundreds of thousands, if not millions of accounts that they own and that are paying active commissions. Now, where are they going to make up that money? I think that's a question that you just want to have in the back of your head. The other thing that I want to empower you to do is now so many of you are going to have options when it comes down to choosing what brokerage you want to be a part of. Now you can sign up for Charles Schwab. Now you can sign up for TD Ameritrade. Now you can sign up for Interactive Brokers if you're outside of the United States. There's multiple options that now you have the option of choosing, and it's not just Robinhood and it's not just Webull. I think one of the things that Webull and Robinhood offer is a very simplistic platform and user face. This makes it very easy for someone that's just getting started to swipe up and execute their trades if they still do that. Altogether, one of the biggest drawbacks within Robinhood and Webull has been their customer support and their overall execution. They're not the most reliable brokerage, but people were okay with it because it was free. But now you don't have to put up with that. Now you have options. And I think that this is the most beautiful thing that we're experiencing from all this news is that it literally gives newer traders more options on what brokerage they want to partner up with. So now what I'm empowering you to do is to dedicate time. Try to think about what you would like a brokerage to offer you and to see Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, and TD Ameritrade, and even beyond that, right? If they actually meet your need. Just because I use TD Ameritrade in no means does that mean that you should use it, but if it meets your needs, then guess what? Now you can sign up and there's free commissions. That's pretty exciting. I know a lot of people within TechBot Solutions, a lot of our subscribers, and a lot of people within Learn, Plan, Profit use TD Ameritrade when it comes down to the technical analysis because it's a much more advanced platform and it's free to open up an account, but when it comes down to their execution, they usually use Robinhood or Webull because they don't have to pay commission. Now I'm going to be following this very closely to see if they put any minimum balance requirement for someone to qualify for free commission. I think that that'd be very interesting to see if they end up adding that to the fine print. But altogether, just wanted to congratulate each and every single one of you for being absolutely amazing and now having a series of options in which you can choose from on what brokerage you would now like to partner up with that can now offer you an advanced user-friendly platform, and on top of that, the customer support to make that experience even that much greater. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that you guys are excited for this overall news. If you guys are, make sure that you drop a thumbs up. It really helps out this video. And if you guys have any question or comments or overall articles that you would like to share, make sure that you comment those down in the comment section. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Don't forget to join our free Facebook group, or the largest Facebook group on Facebook for those who day trade in the stock market, with over 227,000 members all over the world. That's going to be that first link below. If you guys have any further trading questions, send me a text message with the number down below and I'll get right back to you. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.